friends, and welcome back to MTD CNC. As you can see, I'm with my buddy John today. I am so excited and honored to be at Omni Aerospace here in Wichita, Kansas. As you guys know, Wichita is a global leader in aerospace, and Omni is one of those companies that you should definitely take a look at. Started around 1994, had an acquisition around 2001, and really got into the manufacturing side of things around 2009 with the purchase of incredible machines around the building, including this beautiful Starrag EcoSpeed we're standing right in front of right now. So John, thank you for being a part of MTD.
Tony. Thank you. Pleasure having you here. So let me tell you a little story about Omni. And so you described some dates. And all those were milestone dates. 2004 was another milestone date. But in 1994, we incorporated the company, founded out of a sister company that is now no longer around. But that first company was distributing aircraft parts. And we were, prior to this company, we were manufacturers' representatives. And so we were very familiar with the aircraft industry. So we were doing projects with our customers, and our principals at the time did not want to do these projects. So we raised our hand and said, hey, how about if we start Omni Aerospace, we buy your product, hold it in stock, deliver it in a just-in-time basis to our customers, and everyone will be happy. Worked out marvelously, and then out of that grew our customers' desire to do electrical assemblies. So they said, John, can you make this electrical widget for us? And we said, sure, we can do that. So we started doing electrical assemblies. Out of the electrical assemblies, we bought mechanical parts. And our supplier at the time was going to go out of business in 2001. We all know what happened with the economy at that time. I didn't want to lose my source of supply, so I decided to buy him out. That was 3 machines. So we started with 3 machines in 2001. And then in 2009, we didn't have a whole lot of growth because we didn't have a lot of capability then. But in 2009, we bought our current building, which is 96,000 square feet, and started to move into this building. And as we moved into this building, we kept adding equipment. The latest equipment we've added, obviously, is the Starrag EcoSpeed 1540s. Great, moved us to the next level. Moved us to the next level with several customers. As a matter of fact, this year, some of our customers will triple in revenue just from last year, and that's really saying something with all we had going on with COVID. So the company's been a blast. I really enjoy it. I really enjoy running the company. Our tagline is we design and provide innovative product solutions. So we like doing things other customers or other suppliers won't do. Give us your tough parts. We never shy away from a challenge. We love challenges. I mean, we all love science projects. I mean, I'm an engineer by degree, so I love science projects. I really excel, the company and my team, which I have a fantastic team. Can't just do it with equipment. You have to have a good team. We have a great team here. They take projects by the horn. We succeed, get them on time and on budget to our customers. It's really been a great ride, and we look forward to the future.
Well, John, you mentioned a few things. One, you're a really outgoing engineer. We don't always find that, so thank you for being so confident on camera and sharing your story.
Well,
That's beautiful.
Tony.
Second, you mentioned 96,000 square feet that we're in right now. And third, you mentioned starting with 3 machines. How many machines here do you have now, and how many employees?
Right now we have 28 machines, including the Starrags, and approximately 65 employees this year. We predict over the next 2 years we'll probably add another 35 or even more depending on how growth goes. But we try to stay lean and mean. So we do a lot with 65 people. Our revenue this year will bust 16 million. Next year we'll do 22 million. So it's looking good.
John, that's super, super impressive. And I agree with you. A lot of us are trying to do as much as we can with quality machines, but keep the people to a minimum in the sense of there's skills gaps. We have a lot of work we need to do, but you've invested in the machines as I've walked around this beautiful facility to make sure that that's definitely something that's going to happen moving into the future. So where do you see Omni in the next 5 or 10 years?
So Tony, that's looking a long way out, And we do look a long way out. We have strategic planning meetings, so we say, hey, where are we going to be at in 5 years? Where are we going to be at in 3 years? So right now our plan has us at 35 million in 3 years, which is a little more than double our size now. But we'll have to add more Starrags, and that's in the plan. We'll add more mill turn. We do a lot with mill turn equipment, the done-in-one machines. Really, the trend is 5 and 6 axis. 5 and 6 axis complex parts. We're growing our hard metal capability. We do a significant amount in hard metals. Starrag can play in that arena as well. And so things are really looking up. But we do not shy away from anything, any metal we produce now. But we see hard metals is definitely a growth area for us.
Hard metals is going to be a growth area for a lot of people because a commodity machine can't do that. And we need these exceptional machines to be able to work on this. You mentioned, if you don't mind me stepping a moment back, into about 65 employees that you have here. Now, when we have these amazing machines here, when what you're trying to do is run lights out all the time and get the most out of the employees, I am absolutely sure you find incredible value in your employees as well. And you want to keep them here as long as possible, don't you?
Absolutely. You know, part of that is selling them the dream, right? No one wants to go to work for a dead-end company. They want to go to work for a company that's shaking things up, doing new things, and that's the kind of people we want. We want people that want to learn how to do new things. Just like Caleb you met a little while ago. He wants to do new things. We help him do new things. We help him with the training. We help him move him along. We're really excited about our employee base. But you're right, it's difficult to find good people now. But it's easier to find good people if you treat them right, which we do, and you give them challenges that are achievable, which we do.
Well, John, I knew I liked you for a reason, because that is very well said, and we do need to take care of one another. Something else that sticks out about Omni, in my opinion, is you have a little bit over about 20% of women working here as well, and we need more women in manufacturing, don't we?
We do, we definitely do. So right now, the majority of our women are working in assembly, some kind of assembly role, which I hate to say this, but women really, and it's really no hate to say, but they are more dexterous than men are, especially with fine motor skills. So they're very good at putting together assemblies that have fine details. And most of our women in our company are doing that kind of work. But we want women machinists too. And we're looking for women machinists. So please, if that's what you want to do, come see us.
John, I can honestly say that I worked in the jewelry industry for the first 6 years of my career, and my stubby hands could not do what the women were doing, so I'm always impressed to see what happens in that type of a situation, right?
Exactly.
So we've talked a little bit about where you started, where you're looking to grow, the harder materials, the value of the employees, everything in between, the investment of these machines that I see all around me. Where can someone find out more about Omni? Now, if I want to work for you, if I want to work with you, if I want to contract with you, I know that I can come to you and get high quality parts with shorter lead times, and working with someone like you would obviously be a privilege in the mecca of aerospace here in Wichita. How can I learn more about you?
Tony, thank you for asking that. Very simple answer, www.omniks.com. All our contact information is there. You'll learn a lot about the company that we can't talk about in 5 or 10 minutes right at that website. It's a very good website. You'll learn a lot. Please give us a call. We'd like to do business.
So if you guys didn't hear that, you get to learn some of the secrets that we can't talk about on camera by coming in. So check out Omni, give them a call, stop by, meet John. I mean, one of the best, humblest, kindest, most intelligent people I've ever met personally. So thank you all for watching MTD, and I hope you've learned something today just like I have. Thank you so much, John.
Thank you, Tony. Appreciate it.